Specimen 1. I am about to discuss hydatid worm or Echinococcus granulosus.
Hierarchy of classification. Cyst name: Echinococcus granulosorter, Cyclophilidophili, Platyhelminthizolim, Tenedidi kingdom Animalia. Echinococcus granulosus, also called the hydatid worm, hypertapeworm or dog tapeworm, is a cyclophilid species that dwells in the small intestine of canids as an adult, but which has important intermediate tests such as livestock and humans, where it causes cystic echinococcuses, also known as
hydatid disease.
Morphology. Tapeworms form three different development stages: eggs, larvae, and adult. Adult Echinococcus granulosus worms are small and have a scolex with only 3 attached segments. The scolex has 4 lateral suckers, and the rostrum is non-retractable and armed with a double crown of 28 to 50 curved hooks. The anterior segment is immature. The middle segment is mature with functional testes and ovaries, and the posterior segment is grapey with the uterus filled with eggs. The eggs are typical for most taenid hexagon embryo. The encysted larval stage is fascicant. The encysted larval, it produces multiple infective stages, either directly from the germinal layer of the cyst wall or by forming brood sacs by endogenous or exogenous budding of the germinal layer. Echinococcus granulosus form fluid filled an ilocular cyst with endogenous budding for brood capsules. Feeding. Contact with dogs' faces infected with tapeworm eggs may cause hydatid diseases, which is when cysts from in vital organs such as the liver. Life cycle. Definitive hosts such as dogs and dingoes. Infection begins when the animal eats offal that contains hydatid cyst. The swallowed cyst burst and the tapeworm heads travel to the gut and attach themselves to the intestine wall.
Feeding contact with dog feces infected with tapeworms may cause hydatid disease, which is when cysts form in vital organs such as the liver.
The tapeworms are mature after 6 weeks. An adult Echinococcus granulosus tapeworm is only 6 mm long. Thousands can inhabit the gut of an infected animal. Each mature worm grows and sheds the last segment of its body about every 2 weeks. This last segment contains immature eggs. The eggs are passed from the animal's body in feces and may stick the animal's hair or contaminate the vegetable garden. The eggs are highly resistant to weather conditions and can remain viable for months. The eggs have to be swallowed by an animal to form hydatid cyst. Feeding. Protozoans may take food into the cell at a specific point, such as cytochrome, well-developed feeding group, and eat a particular region of the cell surface, or at any random point every. In the colored flagellates or guanoflagellates, for example, the collar and flagellum cooperate in feeding.